Let's start with the hyperfocus keyword. So in today's video, I am going to tell about all detail of hyperfocus keyword. So basically, hyperfocus keyword is a keyword that is used for particular target, particular audience. So if you have a taking an example of that. So if you have a laptop showroom and you are selling a laptop online too, and you have a different varieties of laptop. So and if you are thinking that there is a particular area in Gurgaon where the customer is only buy a laptop which comes under 30,000 or 50,000, you can say anything. So your hyper-focus keyword should be like laptop which comes under 30,000 in Gurgaon. So this is your hyper-focus keyword. So and what is the, you can say that what is the difference between hyper-focus keyword and other keywords. So generally in hyper-focus keyword you are explained in a variety, it's explained in a broad manner, and it is a focus keyword, so you have just focus on a particular audience and particular area. So just like you can, if I am talking about the example, so just like best laptop under 30,000 for a student. So this is the large keyword and also focusing on 30,000 and for a student. So you are explaining and describing more things in hyper focus keyword. So just like it is describing about price, it is describing about area, it is describing about you can say that you can also compare just like best laptop under 30,000 and best laptop under 50,000. This is also you can compare in the hyper focus keyword. And so basically why hyper focus keyword is used. So if you are a shop owner and you are running an online business, so you have a particular targeting audience, just like you know about that only particular area, these audience is only can buy a laptop which comes under 30,000. So you have a focus on that particular audience. So in that particular audience, you just mention on a thing in your hyper focus keyword about a price, about an area, about other things, just like your benefits of laptops. So these things you have to mention in your hyper focus keyword, and it is a long tail keyword, not a short tail keyword. It should be a long tail keyword, so you can generate a lead from them. And example, just like your best lightweight laptop under 40,000 for office work in India. So in this keyword, the three things is describing: price is describing, in India is describing, year is describing, the many things is describing. So it describes things a lot. So if you go with the example, so I am going with the example best laptop under 30,000. So this is my hyper focus keyword, best laptop under 30,000 in Gurgaon. So they give me a result according to that. So this is all about the hyper focus keyword. I think you have learned about what is hyper focus keyword and how we can use hyper focus keyword in our SEO. So if you want to learn and become an SEO expert, so you can visit our website. So our website is km.graphy.com. Here is the live project assessment and placement support we are providing you, and we teach you all the detail of SEO in advance. And also we are giving you an opportunity to learn something, and also you can earn from freelancing by the help of your SEO skills. Thank you.